human beings and the nature of the human ego, the thoughts, everything that goes on inside a human's head is all part of nature. It's as much a part of nature as anything else is. If humans were not part of nature, we would not have evolved to be able to react to things that we think, that we perceive. We are a part of nature as much as a dog is, a deer, a plant, any other human. And the creations of humans are a part of nature as well. Skyscrapers, automobiles, just as the beaver dam is a part of nature and is a creation of the beaver. The towns are a part of nature as a creation of humans, or cities, or currency, or buildings, inventions, all a product of one of nature's creatures, the human. And a part of human nature is to doubt this, to think that you're separate. That's all still a part of it. It's a part of our egos. The ego is a part of nature. For if it was not, we would not be able to feel guilt. We were evolved to react to this thing. We feel guilt, we feel shame. That's a part of our thought process. That's a part of being human. And if we were not designed by evolution to be able to do this, well, then we wouldn't be able to feel these things. I mean, that alone should be proof that we are as much a part of nature as anything else. And things that we are worried about, things that we shouldn't be doing, we think. You know, that's the worrying itself. The guilt itself is a part of it. It's a part of our nature. And people think, oh, we shouldn't have done that. It's a bad thing. It's a bad thing to do. There is no bad thing. There really isn't good either. But it's better to think things are good than things are bad. But, you know, to think something that we do is bad is like to say it shouldn't be. We shouldn't be thinking that. You know, it's a bad thought. We shouldn't think that. But to say it's bad is like saying it's not supposed to happen. But it is supposed to happen. We may not know why. But the happening is part of nature as much as the not knowing why is a part of nature. We don't know why we're doing it. But there's a reason for that. And we don't know the reason, because that's also part of it. It's all part of our nature. It's all one goings on, one happening. And all together with it. All the other creatures, all the other plants, all the other minerals, all the other things that are in existence. This is all part of one thing. One being, the universe. And perhaps it is part of humans' nature to wake up and realize this.